to enter our top 9 finalists is Mala City, Cyril and Centeno.
Our second spot belongs to Urbanera City Magic Ball Bautista.
Third one to enter our top 9 finalists is Manawan.
Aaron Gilkinso. Our fourth spot belongs to Benmaden J. Carlos Cerezo.
You still have the chance to win their crown tonight. Oh, Mani Pangasinan.
And our sixth spot belongs to Pete Mangalan, JC Benolian.
And the 7th spot belongs to you, Mayaman.
Two spots left, and the eighth spot belongs to Umingan, Harvey Meadow.
Ay, si ano na kalas.
One spot left. And the last one to enter our